Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video to show how to connect your Eclipse project to a project on GitHub. So as an example, I'm going to create a very small project here. So I'll click on Create Java Project. I'll call this Demo Project. And I'm going to use Java 1.8 as my execution environment just because it's very compatible with wherever I might want to access this project. So then I'll click Finish. And that's created a new project. I'm going to create one source file in that project. So I'll just right click, go to New, Class. I'll tick the public static void main. And I'll call my class main with the capital M. And I'll just put a hello world thing there. Okay, so guys, the first thing I've got to do is to enable sharing. So I right click on the project. Now it needs to be the folder at the top. Don't click on one of the files down here. Click on the folder at the top, go to Team, and then go to Share Project. Now I have to choose a repository. What I normally do is click Create and then just type the name of the project. So since my project is called Demo Project, I'll type Demo Project in here as well and click Finish. Okay, so now I've enabled sharing for the project. Now files don't get shared automatically. What I have to do is right click, go to Team and choose Add to Index. So once a file is being shared, you'll get that green plus on it. This shows that it is going to be committed when you choose the commit option. So let's choose the commit option and I'll go to Team and go to Commit. And when I choose Commit, I get the option to type a commit message. Now it's in this window down here and quite often the window is really tiny. So I normally just pull it up a little bit with this bar to make some space. And then I'll write Demo Project as my commit message. And I'm going to choose Commit. Now what that's done is it's committed the file to my local repository. So it is still stored on this computer. I can do all of the things that Git allows me to do, like undoing mistakes and things like that, but it isn't yet connected to GitHub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my GitHub account, and then I'm going to create a new repository. So I'll go to Repositories and click New, and I'll call this repository Demo Project. Okay, and click Create Repository. Don't need to change anything else. I'll keep the repository as public. Create Repository. Okay, now once I've clicked Create Repository, I get a URL here, so I can copy and paste that. I'll just click on the clipboard icon here to do that. Then I'll go back to Demo Project, right click, go to Team, and choose Show in Repositories View. Now I right click on Remotes and choose Create Remote. Now a remote is just another computer where my source code is going to be stored. So in this case, the computer I'm going to add is my GitHub computer. Well, it's not my computer, I wish it was, but the GitHub's server. So when I click on the change icon here on URI, then the address that I have for my GitHub account gets automatically pasted into there if it's on the clipboard. And this needs to be my GitHub username and password, which I've already set up. And if I don't want to type it in each time, then I can click this box, Store in Secure Store. So then I click Finish, and then I'll click Save and Push. Okay, now you can see the progress in the bottom right-hand corner here. And once it's pushed, I click Close. Now if I go back to my GitHub page, and I'll just go to look at the files in Demo Project, and you can see that my main.java has been synchronized with GitHub. So then anytime I want to put my code onto GitHub, I can just right click, go to Team, and go to Commit and push again.